So in this activity, we will learn about the method called array.from and a JavaScript object called newSet. So it says, the last function has a few approaches to implement, and you are free to choose whichever approach you would like. Add a no-dupes property, which returns the nums array with all duplicate values removed. And we have an example of 2, 1, 2, 5, 3, 2, 7 array, and it should return only 2, 1, 5, 3, 7. Now, let's declare first our property name called no-dupes. Actually, no-dupes is just a shortcut for no duplicates, no dupes. Okay, so we take in our array nums as the parameter, which implicitly return the method array.from. So array.from method actually creates a new array or transforms something, for example, list to an array. That is what it does. And within the argument of the array.from is where we input the JavaScript object called newSet with an argument again of the array called nums. So newSet is actually an object used to create a new object or a list and takes all the unique values of the argument, which in our case would be nums, and if ever there would be a duplicate of that value, it gets rid of the copy and only gets one of the value duplicate. So for example, okay, perhaps let's make an example. So perhaps we have an array and let's copy this example. Let's just put it in here. So perhaps we take in the array declared variable and then put it in here. So what it does is that it creates what this argument does is that it creates a new object, a list object, and it takes only the unique values, which would be 1, 5, 3, and 7. It takes the unique values of that argument, and if there are any duplicates of a value, it gets rid of the copies and only take one of the duplicated value, which in turn would result an array of 2, 1, 5, 3, 7 with the array 2, 1, 2, 5, 3, 2, 7. So what this property does is that it takes in the array. Oh no, it should be nums. It takes in the nums array as the parameter, which returns a new array or created a new array because the method array.from creates a new array, okay, with an argument of a new list because newSet is creates a new object or a list and takes in the values unique values only from this argument, which essentially getting rid of any duplicates of the array. Nice.